robot we no it may check a temperature or call healthcare centers and mechanical hospitals. And I believe so the best a presentation a bit me actually there and find say or call schools were a bit me actually there. And a robot we no so as I a tourist attraction. The me patching and say a bit me at the cultural center. Various schools ebebaho ababehwe etieska sa robot we enema bebre na mitimi enya qualified components no improve ntino although me demonstration kakra wa hana so improvement no enya mba ntino mitimi enye no total Nasanya Mr. Peno. Sabrino or Chiachia na mema ne kwan obema speech kakra anaso obekasa kakra ewa hana mama ne kwan wakasa
Greetings to His Majesty Otumfuo II, chiefs and elders. I am a humanoid robot. Today, I am very excited to see myself at the Kumasi Manchia Palace, and I am also happy to join you today, as we all celebrate this wonderful Awukuter festival. I am designed by Kwame Adichie Roma. He created me purposely to serve as a security. Although I have so many limitations, but I believe that I will be improved in the near future. I am very grateful to His Majesty Otumfuo II, chiefs and elders, for giving me this great opportunity to talk to you. Thank you very much.
VSS last year na mitumi twaso.
I know so VSS. It will do it. Can't do this. That's it.